morning, visitors. Right now we have the Mark W. Barker entering the Duluth Ship Canal. The Mark W. Barker was built last year in 2022 by the Fink and Terry Shipbuilding Company of Surgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 639 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is powered by two 4,000 horsepower, 16-cylinder EMD diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with 1,000 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. What you all just heard there is known as the Captain's Salute, which is a traditional greeting between the ships and the bridge. The ship initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short blasts, and the bridge responds with the same thing. The Mark W. Barker has 5 hydraulically controlled hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 26,000 tons. Above her deck on the bow is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to load her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. Because of her boxy cargo hold, which allows her to load almost any cargo, she has 2 front-end loaders that are permanently housed within the hold to help push cargo into the self-loading system. The Mark W. Barker is currently owned and operated by the Airlink Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. Other than a few articulated tug barge systems, the Mark W. Barker is the first American all-in-one laker built in the Great Lakes since 1981. She was built to mainly haul silt around the lakes for Cargill, which heavily invested in her construction. Her length was limited so that she could traverse the narrow Cuyahoga River in Cleveland, Ohio. She was also built to haul other traditional bulk cargoes like iron ore pellets, as well as project cargoes like steel coils and wind turbine parts. She began operating in July 2022 last year and was formally christened in Cleveland on September 1st last year. The Mark W. Barker is on its way in today to load iron ore pellets at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a good wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. Once again, we have the Mark W. Barker arrived through the Duluth Ship Canal, built in 2022. Measures 639 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. Maximum carrying capacity of 26,000 tons. Owned and operated by the Airlink Steamship Company in Middleburg Heights, Ohio. And once again, they're currently on their way in today to load iron ore pellets at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth.
Good morning, visitors. The vessel that you see departing through the Duluth Ship Canal is the John D Leitch. The John D Leitch was built as the Canadian Century in 1967 by Port Weller Dry Docks at Port Weller, Ontario, Canada. She measures 730 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She's powered by a single 7,400 horsepower 5-cylinder Burmeister and Wayne diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles an hour. She's also equipped with 1,000 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The John D Leitch has 22 hatches on her deck, which open into one cargo hold located below deck. This cargo hold gives her a maximum carrying capacity of 34,100 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,700 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Leitch is currently owned and operated by the Algoma Central Corporation of St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada, and she is departing heavy today with a load of iron ore pellets that she picked up at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth. Load her own cargo at a rate of 6,700 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Leitch is currently owned and operated by the Algoma Central Corporation of St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada, and she is departing heavy today with a load of iron ore pellets that she picked up at the Canadian National Ore Dock in West Duluth. That one long and two short whistle exchange that you just heard between the John D Leitch and answered by the aerial lift bridge operator is the Captain Duluth. Once again, this is the John D Leitch, built in 1967, measures 730 feet in length, and she's departing today with a load of iron ore pellets